What's going on, everyone? Got a 2019 Jeep Compass, and today we're going to replace the remote key fob battery.
All right, so the first thing we're going to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote and push down on this little lever that we have right here. And we're going to pull it to your right, okay? And then the emergency will come right out. When we look at the bottom of this guy, we're going to use this slot right here, and the small flathead screwdriver at an angle like this. We're going to split the remote in half, okay? Just like that. Turn it and just open it up. And here is the battery right here. And then use a small flat screwdriver and just pop it right out. I'll show you what size battery we're working with. All right, so we are working with a CR2032. This is the positive side right here that has the writing and the positive sign on it. It's going to be facing down in the remote. And if you need one of these batteries, check the description box. There's a link that takes you to Amazon where you can get one of these batteries for like $1. I'm just going to slide it back in just like that, and then we just squish the remote back together. Put the emergency key back in, and we are all done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it. Drop me a like, leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys in another video.